This is Colony 6.
It's like a fortress. Did people really live here?
So much has changed. It's only been a month.
We'll find Juju and then smash some metal.
Wait! We can't just rush in.
We could enter through the mine.
Mine?
There's a massive ether deposit under the colony. The first settlers here built right on top of the mine. That's how we got our colony. The mine is like a network of tunnels. It's much more complicated than the colony streets. They can't have figured it all out in the space of a month.
So...
She means it's the best route if we want to remain unseen.
You're catching on.
Great. So how do we get in?
Through the drainage outlet. It's just up ahead.
Wasn't really looking. Oh, come on. That's not fair. Let's stay focused.
This.
Leave it to right. I'm ready. Wizard! Aura!
Fire it up.
Nice shot. All right. I'm feeling it.
Now! Equalizer! Now my rifle's getting hotter. I'm never gonna give up.
Even stronger.
Things are really heating up. A victory for teamwork.
Cool. Let's keep this up. Good thing I'm here. No? Anyone? Alley-oop.
Guys, kill the noise.
A Mechon.
I can't believe they've taken the mine too. That means the Defense Force and residents are... Oh no, Juju!
Keep it together, Sharla. Don't start panicking now.
Rhine!
You said yourself they can't have seized the entire area, right? I bet you they're holed up someplace safe. Juju is alive, and we're gonna find him.
That's why we're here. You can count on us.
Yeah, yes. It'll be fine. Rhine, Shulk, thank you. Don't do anything stupid now.
Leave it to Ryan.
Everyone, do your best.
Now we're working as one.
You said it, Sharla.
Looks like this place is going easy on us.
Nice job.
Man, what a bunch of jokers.
No way!
You're not invincible. Powering up.
Shake your head! We're starting to look like a team! My rifle's getting hotter! Now! We can definitely do this victory together!
Man, what a bunch of jokers.
Cool. Let's keep this up.
Let's get this party started!
Everyone, do your best.
Let me at 'em.
Sword drive! Everyone ready for a chain attack?
We're gonna knock your block off.
Backslash! Right, shall we?
Good thing I'm here. No? Anyone?
Piece of cake.
Sometimes you gotta face your fears.
Are we insane?
Can we actually win here?
Fire!
Sword drive.
Shoulder bullet! Fire!
Powering up.
Split edge.
Hammer. Beat. We can definitely do now. It's right time. Split edge. I'm powering up.
My right, shall we?
Man, what a bunch of jokers.
Let's stay focused.
An ether rifle. Gaddo!
Sharla, wait!
Gaddo!
I know that voice. Medic, is that you?
Otharon!
That's our cue, Ryan.
Oh, yeah.
You're not invincible. Enchant.
I only need one shot.
You can definitely do this. Wow, down. Come on, we can do it.
Looks like it's no problem.
Sword drop. Yeah. You like that?
Mine! That was a beauty.
Leave it to Ryan.
I'm never gonna give up. Sharp as a nail, Shulk.
Easy attack. I'm powering up.
Medic, why are you here?
Sir, isn't Gaddo with you?
We have much to discuss. You'd better come with me.
Sir.
So, Juju has been taken by the Bronze-Faced One.
Sir, what about Gaddo?
Gaddo is gone.
Gone? What do you mean, gone?
Gaddo and I planned a surprise attack to set everyone free. But we failed, miserably. When I woke, Gaddo was nowhere to be seen. Only his rifle remained. But he is alive. I can feel it. We may not be joined by blood, but he's like a son to me. I'd know if he were dead.
Oh,
Some of the people in Colony 9 got eaten.
Rhine!
Sorry. I forget I said that.
They don't kill Homs right away. If that Bronze-Faced One took him, we still have some time left.
Are you sure?
Boy, that blade was once Dunban's. I'm not sure why you have it, but we're going to need its full power.
You can count on me.
We're heading for the central pit. It's where they take all the Homs they kidnap. If Juju's alive, that's where he'll be. Gather your things, we're moving out. Juju! Gaddo! This is for you!
What? What?
You say something, Shulk?
No. It's nothing. Forget it.